Do you struggle with low self-esteem? If so, you're not alone. But building self-esteem is possible, and there are 10 integral aspects that can help. Let's dive into each aspect one by one. Number 1. Self-awareness. Self-awareness means recognizing your own thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Take time to reflect on who you are and what you want. Number 2. Self-acceptance. Learn to accept yourself, flaws and all. Focus on your strengths and what makes you unique. Number 3. Self-care. Take care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally. Prioritize self-care activities that make you feel good. Number 4. Self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer to a friend. Number 5. Self-respect. Respect yourself and your boundaries. Say no to things that don't align with your values. Number 6. Self-confidence. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Celebrate your accomplishments and remember that you are capable of achieving your goals. Number 7. Self-worth. Recognize your own worth and value. Pursue activities that make you feel fulfilled and satisfied. Number 8. Self-expression. Express yourself creatively and authentically. Embrace your unique style and share your talents with others. Number 9. Self-improvement. Continuously work on improving yourself. Set goals, learn new skills, and challenge yourself to grow. Number 10. Self-love. Finally, practice self-love. Treat yourself with love and kindness, and remember that you are deserving of happiness and joy. By focusing on these 10 integral aspects of self-esteem, you can build a strong and healthy sense of self-worth. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering videos.